What if everything you believed about your brain being fixed after 25 was completely wrong? Right now, inside your head, billions of neurons are constantly rewiring themselves based on what you think, feel, and do. This means your habits, your focus, even your intelligence are not permanent. They are programmable. Every distraction you give in to weakens your mental circuits, while every moment of deep focus strengthens them. The difference between feeling stuck and becoming exceptional is not talent. It's how you train your brain at a biological level. Imagine turning effort into instinct, struggle into growth, and focus into a powerful advantage you can control. This is not motivation. This is neuroscience. And once you understand how your brain truly works, you'll realize something powerful. The person you become next is not decided by chance. It's built by design, one thought at a time. Most of us believe that after the age of 25, the brain's structure is permanently fixed. However, modern neuroscience proves your brain is actually quite flexible. Science led by Nobel winner Eric Kandel shows your brain isn't a hard drive filled with data, but a living entity capable of constant restructuring and growth. Welcome to the era of neuroplasticity. This is where we learn how to upgrade our own biological hardware to achieve breakthroughs in performance and deep focus. Recent studies have shattered the myth of the static brain. You are not a fixed version of yourself, but a work in progress that you control. Imagine being able to rewire your habits and skills at a cellular level. This is not science fiction. It is the fundamental mechanism of your biology. By understanding these neural mechanisms, we unlock the door to peak cognitive performance. Today, we will decode the secrets of how your brain actually learns. Every thought and action you take is a signal that reshapes your internal landscape. You have the power to consciously guide this massive structural evolution. Join us as we explore the cutting-edge science of brain optimization. We are about to dive deep into the hardware of your mind and its potential. Think of your brain as a massive computer system. Neuroplasticity is the process of upgrading your hardware from old copper wires to high-speed fiber optics. This physical transformation happens through a mechanism called long-term potentiation. It is the core process that turns difficult effort into a fast, effortless reflex. When you repeat an action with high intensity, your synaptic connections thicken. This strengthening of the circuit makes future signals travel much faster and more reliably. Proteins like BDNF and the mTOR pathway act as your brain's construction crew. They repair, strengthen, and build the neural pathways required for your new skills. Your brain begins with faint trails, but through focus, these become superhighways. This structural shift is what differentiates a novice from a world-class master. Every time you struggle with a new task, you are signaling your brain to mobilize these building blocks. The struggle itself is the catalyst for growth. This is why consistency is far more important than raw talent. You are literally building the physical infrastructure of your intelligence through repeated, deliberate practice. The more frequently the synapse fires, the stronger the bond becomes. This is the physiological foundation of every habit and every expertise you have ever developed. Your brain is dynamic and ever-changing, reacting to every challenge you face. It is constantly pruning old connections and making room for new, more efficient ones. Understanding these biological markers allows us to optimize our environment. We can create the perfect conditions for our brain to rebuild itself every single day. Once the hardware is upgraded, tasks that once seemed impossible become second nature. You are quite literally evolving your mind to handle much higher complexities. Your body operates like a hybrid engine, and its most precious fuel is dopamine. Managing this chemical is the secret to sustaining long-term cognitive drive. Most people burn through their dopamine with cheap rewards like social media or sugary foods. This creates massive spikes followed by deep, exhausting crashes. This constant seeking of quick thrills depletes your dopamine baseline. When your baseline is low, even simple tasks feel like an insurmountable, exhausting mountain. To fix this, you must protect your dopamine baseline. Research from Stanford University emphasizes that a stable, healthy baseline is the foundation of peak performance. When your baseline is stable, you feel motivated without needing constant external rewards. This steady energy allows you to focus on meaningful work for hours. Stop looking for the temporary high of a quick win. Instead, learn to find deep satisfaction in the process of the effort itself. By rewarding the effort rather than the result, you rewire your brain to love the hard work. This makes high-level focus much easier to maintain. This balance prevents the common burnout cycle that plagues many high achievers. It ensures that your drive remains consistent and powerful over the long haul. Removing cheap dopamine triggers allows your receptors to recover. Within days, your brain's natural sensitivity returns, making your work feel genuinely engaging again. This recovery phase is essential for anyone looking to reset their focus. It is the first step in reclaiming control over your mental energy levels. Low stimulation environments help reset your neural circuits. They allow your mind to quiet down, making it ready for the next period of intense concentration. When you align your actions with your internal chemistry, everything changes. You transition from a state of constant craving to a state of flow. The flow state is only possible when your dopamine is managed correctly. It is the ultimate goal of any serious brain-based performance strategy. Time becomes your ally when your dopamine is stable. You can work with the clock, not against it, ensuring every minute counts toward your goals. Mastering your dopamine is like mastering the wind. It provides the force that carries you towards success without burning out your internal engine. The secret of high-level mastery isn't just neurons, it's myelin. This fatty substance wraps around your nerve fibers, acting as high-grade insulation for your signals. The thicker the myelin layer, the faster and more accurately the electrical signals travel. This is how masters perform complex tasks with incredible subconscious speed. Myelination only happens during periods of deep work. When you are distracted, your brain cannot signal the cells to build this crucial insulation. Every hour of undistracted focus is a physical investment in your brain's efficiency. You are literally coating your skills in a layer of speed. This biological process is why multitasking is the enemy of excellence. By jumping between tasks, you prevent the chemical environment needed for myelin growth. To build a world-class mind, you must protect your focus. The depth of your concentration directly determines the thickness of your neural insulation. Think of myelin as the difference between a dial-up connection and a modern fiber optic network. It turns a slow process into an instant reaction. Commitment to a single task for a prolonged period triggers the biological signal for myelination. This is the physical signature of true expertise. Geniuses don't have more brain cells. They have better insulated ones. Their pathways are built to handle high-frequency data without any loss of signal. This process takes time and repeated effort. There are no shortcuts to myelination, only the consistent application of intense, focused mental energy every day. As you practice, your errors decrease because the myelin prevents signal leakage. Your brain becomes a precision instrument, finely tuned for your specific craft. This is why masters make the difficult look easy. Their myelinated pathways allow them to execute complex sequences while using almost no conscious effort. You can choose which pathways to insulate. By focusing on your most important skills, you are choosing where to build your mental superhighways. Every session of deep work adds another layer. Over months and years, these thin layers become a massive wall of cognitive power and efficiency. Your brain's ability to insulate itself is your greatest competitive advantage. In a world of distraction, the person with the most myelin wins. To build something new, the brain must first clear out the old. This is the job of autophagy, the brain's internal waste management system. Autophagy literally means self-eating. It is a survival mechanism where cells recycle their own damaged components to create fresh, new energy for growth. During deep sleep, the glymphatic system flushes out toxic proteins like beta amyloid. This brainwashing is critical for preventing brain fog and mental fatigue. You can trigger autophagy through intermittent fasting and a diet rich in antioxidants. These habits give your brain the clean slate it needs to rewire. A clean brain is a fast brain. When the debris is removed, your neural signals can travel without interference, leading to much higher levels of clarity. Think of it as clearing the cache on your computer. Without this maintenance, your system slows down, and new connections are much harder to form. Fueling your brain with the right nutrients supports the recycling process. This ensures that the building blocks for new synapses are always available. Neglecting this cleanup leads to cognitive decline. By prioritizing rest and nutrition, you are protecting the long-term health and plasticity of your mind. The longest living people in the world naturally trigger these cleanup processes. We can learn from their lifestyle to optimize our modern brain function. This isn't just about health, it's about performance. A well-maintained brain is capable of far more intense focus and creative breakthroughs than a cluttered one. Make room for the new version of yourself by letting go of the old. Your brain is a temple. Keep it clean and ready for evolution. How do we put this into practice? Here is the 4-step neuroplasticity protocol. Step 1. Limit your deep focus to 90-minute blocks. This aligns with your brain's ultradian rhythms. Beyond 90 minutes, your ability to focus and signal for neural changes begins to drop significantly. Step 2. Embrace the struggle. That feeling of frustration is the exact moment your brain is releasing the chemicals needed to initiate change. Don't quit when it gets hard. The struggle is not a sign of failure. It is a biological requirement for your brain to rewire itself. Step 3. Total release. After 90 minutes of work, step away completely. Do not check your phone or consume any new digital information. This period of non-sleep deep rest allows your nervous system to cool down. It creates the space for your brain to begin processing the new data. Without the release phase, the brain stays in a state of high stress. Release is where the transformation actually starts to take hold of your hardware. Step 4. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Sleep is when the myelination and synaptic strengthening actually happen, locking the day's learning into permanent memory. You do not learn during the work. You learn during the sleep that follows the work. This is the ultimate save button for your neural progress. By repeating this protocol daily, you take direct control of your evolution. You are no longer a victim of your habits, but their master. This 4-step cycle is the most powerful tool in your cognitive arsenal. Use it consistently to achieve breakthroughs you never thought were possible before. Neuroplasticity is more than just a scientific term. It is a promise. It is the promise that you can always become a better version of yourself. Your brain is ready for the upgrade. It is waiting for you to provide the focus, the struggle, and the rest required to transform. Do not wait for tomorrow to start. The process of restructuring your mind begins the moment you decide to focus with all your heart. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the mind. Start your rewiring today and unlock the true potential of your incredible human brain.